Hello dear students, this is Sartaj sir from English speaking classes. Welcome to all students. I hope you are all fine. As you know that I have taught you the 7 classes and also I have made you understand about each and every classes. As you know that there are the 7 main classes so which are very beneficial for you. But you have to practice on that classes more and more. And how to practice on that classes? So I give you some examples and I repeat again there. So how many time words are there in the 7 classes? So and which forms are required of the time words? Time words की क्या-क्या requirements थी वो मैं आपको बता देता हूँ. It means के is MR was were एंड विल बी तीनों के तीनों टाइम वर्ड्स थे हमारे जो एक्शन की आईएनजी फॉर्म लेकर के आए थे. हैज हैव टाइम वर्ड था हमारा जो एक्शन की थर्ड फॉर्म लेकर के आया था. एंड एक डूडस टाइम वर्ड था हमारा जो अपने साथ एक्शन की फर्स्ट फॉर्म लेकर के आया था. डिड टाइम वर्ड था हमारा जो अपने साथ एक्शन की फर्स्ट फॉर्म. एंड विल में माइट इन्होंने तीनों की तीनों कंडीशंस रखी थी. यानी कि 7 की 7 क्लासेस का मैंने आपको एक सेपरेटली वीडियो दिया है. उस वीडियो से आप वहां से क्लासेस ले सकते हो सेपरेटली. बट आपको 7 की 7 क्लासेस पे किस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करनी है वो मैं आपको आज दिखा देता हूं कि कैसे आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी. Is my student so and he will practice on the 7 classes. So and I am going to give you the one action. So and that action is a talk on the line. And हमें क्या करना है कि कोई सा भी एक एक्शन लेना है और उस एक्शन को लेकर के 7 की 7 क्लासेस पे विजिट कराना होगा. इस तरीके से देखिए ये आपका बेस्ट रहेगा. दिस विल बी द बेस्ट वे टू practice on the every classes. So and let's take a start.
Hi guys, my name is Mohammad Shan. I have introduced myself in the last video. Today I am going to practice on the 7 classes. I am talking on the line, you are talking on the line, she is talking on the line, he is talking on the line, they are talking on the line, we are talking on the line. I am not talking on the line, you are not talking on the line, she is not talking on the line, he is not talking on the line, they are not talking on the line, we are not talking on the line. Am I talking on the line? Are you talking on the line? Is she talking on the line? Is he talking on the line? Are they talking on the line? Are we talking on the line? I was talking on the line. You were talking on the line. She was talking on the line. He was talking on the line. They were talking on the line. We were talking on the line. I was not talking on the line. You were not talking on the line. She was not talking on the line. He was not talking on the line. They were not talking on the line. We were not talking on the line. Was I talking on the line? Were you talking on the line? Was she talking on the line? Was he talking on the line? Were they talking on the line? Were we talking on the line? I will be talking on the line. You will be talking on the line. She will be talking on the line. He will be talking on the line. They will be talking on the line. We will be talking on the line. I will not be talking on the line. You will not be talking on the line. She will not be talking on the line. He will not be talking on the line. They will not be talking on the line. We will not be talking on the line. Will I be talking on the line? Will you be talking on the line? Will she be talking on the line? Will he be talking on the line? Will they be talking on the line? Will we be talking on the line? I have talked on the line. You have talked on the line. She has talked on the line. He has talked on the line. They have talked on the line. We have talked on the line. I have not talked on the line. You have not talked on the line. She has not talked on the line. He has not talked on the line. They have not talked on the line. We have not talked on the line. Have you talked on the line? Have I talked on the line? Have you talked on the line? Has she talked on the line? Has he talked on the line? Have they talked on the line? Have we talked on the line? I talk on the line. You talk on the line. She talks on the line. He talks on the line. They talk on the line. We talk on the line. I do not talk on the line. You do not talk on the line. She does not talk on the line. He does not talk on the line. They do not talk on the line. We do not talk on the line. Do I talk on the line? Do you talk on the line? Does she talk on the line? Does he talk on the line? Do they talk on the line? Do we talk on the line? I talked on the line. You talked on the line. She talked on the line. He talked on the line. They talked on the line. We talked on the line. I did not talk on the line. You did not talk on the line. She did not talk on the line. He did not talk on the line. They did not talk on the line. We did not talk on the line. Did I talk on the line? Did you talk on the line? Did she talk on the line? Did he talk on the line? Did they talk on the line? Did we talk on the line? I will talk on the line. You will talk on the line. She will talk on the line. He will talk on the line. they will talk on the line, we will talk on the line. I will not talk on the line, you will not talk on the line, she will not talk on the line, he will not talk on the line, they will not talk on the line, we will not talk on the line. Will I talk on the line? Will you talk on the line? Will she talk on the line? Will he talk on the line? Will they talk on the line? Will we talk on the line? गाइस, अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो शेयर करें और लाइक करें एंड कमेंट करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दें।